Oh my god. Alright. And we're off. Skate shop was kind of cool. Quinn wound up picking up a pair of sneakers. They sell like collector Nikes. It was a cool shop though. I was debating on getting this Evangelion hoodie. Purple hoodie was kind of cool.
What the heck?
Undercover cop. Yep, don't do it, don't do it. Glad I brought a second battery this time. My first one when we left the skate shop was almost dead. Oh, look at this. Sheesh. But I always do that. So I sucked it up, wore my ginormous backpack because I need to get a new one. It's for fitting like my lunch and my work stuff, so when I commute to work. So it's like huge, not the most aerodynamic backpack in the world. But it does the job. Threw a water bottle and then my spare battery and a screwdriver in there. Cut it up, cut it up, cut it up. Really, it's my ADHD, but I'm going to say I'm warming up the tires. I feel like everybody has a subtle form of ADHD, right? Especially our generation, I guess, who grew up on video games, cell phones, having something to do constantly. He's out. Uh-oh. Yeah, I was like, rrr, rrr. I thought he was pulling out, dude.
I thought he was too. I saw the brake. But at that point, I was like, well, if you're pulling out, I feel like you should go at the same time. But, yeah, I was not expecting that one, for sure.
No. Yeah, I could have put on money that he was going to pull out.
I feel like I'm hoping that he also was like, maybe it's not worth it at the same time. Like,
Yeah, maybe. There's no way he didn't see it, though.
there's no way he didn't hear me. Like,
Yeah.
no way he didn't hear me. I was flying 150 and it's all in.
Crazy. See, you were doing it, but luckily for me, I got off when I saw that black SUV next to you, because the undercovers drive those all the time. So like I already backed off when we caught up to him, because I'm like, oh shit. And then the real one was there. Well, that was a close one. Really did not want to deal with that today for sure. Hey, you guys golf? I don't know, I was never good at it. I actually tried a legit golf course once. No good. Play some mini putt though. Mean game of mini putt for sure. Zoom, 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 zoom. Is the trailer turning? Yeah, of course they are. What is that? Random drain? No, okay. If I had flooding issues or something, they look new. Oh, that house is sick. Two over there. Yeah, I love that taillight though. That is clean. Ooh. Hate that neutral. I gotta be more prominent with my shifts. I think that's the problem. I think it's definitely me. Feels automotive with the old gas pump out front, looking sick. Oop. Was that a creepy clown? What the heck? What the heck? As my daughter would say. What the heck?
What the heck?
Love the smell of burning firewood. bouncing all over the place. And the fact that the Beamer has a gas gauge. I don't remember if I mentioned that. The gas gauge is amazing. Nowadays, every bike should have one. Literally no reason with how much you pay for these things anymore that it doesn't have one. It's crazy. I could never live in the city when you get riding views like this. Ooh, Stingray. Ooh, piece of candy. Well, that was fun. Well, if you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe and like this video. If you want, leave a comment. All support, I'd greatly appreciate it. Any of you just watch it and don't want to subscribe, thank you. Later.